remodel on the pool?
No, this is our second remodel on the pool.
Okay. Well, out of that, how did you guys hear about Swim Carefree?
Actually, I was the one that found out about it. I was driving by a house down not too far away from here, and you were doing a job at another place, and I wrote down your name, and I actually stopped and asked the people what they thought about you all, and they said they were very happy with the work you did. That's why I ended up asking you all to do it for us. Okay.
How satisfied are you guys with our ability to help you guys decide on your material that we ultimately used on your pool?
I guess I should take that one. I'm very happy about the way that went down. Heather, our project manager, was on top of things. She helped me decide on the colors and the tile. We went back and forth a number of times because we kept trying to combine two different colors, a different color of the plaster, a different color of the tile, and she was wonderful to help us make really great choices.
And she also is the one that convinced us to go with the oyster, the abalone shells in the pool, which is just remarkable. Just sets that pool completely apart with the sparkle that it gives.
Awesome. Were you satisfied with our ability to answer any of your questions during the process of your remodel?
100%. Heather and you all have just been spectacular to work with. If I had any question, it was answered immediately, whether I emailed or I called or asked you when you were on site. It was just fantastic.
That was the thing I was the most impressed with overall, was the communication.
Would you guys recommend Swim Carefree to friends or your family?
I would hesitate to recommend Swim Carefree.
Absolutely. I'd recommend you all to anybody who asks me.
And the final question is, out of 5 stars, if you guys were doing a review on Google, what would you guys give Swim Carefree? For
6.
I would definitely give Swim Carefree 5 stars. They were great.
Well, thank you guys so much for your time.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you guys
Well,
very much.
we're so happy. She really prevented us from making a couple of mistakes.
Hey,
So
that's
I'm
what we're here
happy.
for. That's kind of our favorite part
You
too.
know, that's the fun part about Heather is